vlog today because today's gonna be like a day in the life of my normal life, working a 9-to-5 job, and then also life of an influencer, I guess. So I am working normally today. So I woke up early, I did a couple hours of work, and then today I got invited to go to a press event in LA for a PR company who's representing a bunch of brands. So I'm gonna go see them. And so right now I am making my breakfast to eat. I have my coffee to go, and then I'm off to that event. Once I come back, I'll then get back to normal life and work. So I thought I would take you along because I think it's fun to see what I'm up to on a day like this. Days like this don't actually happen a lot. Like, they're very hard to come by, but this is just one of those days where there's something exciting happening, so I thought I would take you along. Okay, so I have to eat my breakfast really quick before I go, but I made myself a little avocado toast with scrambled egg and tapatio sauce on top, and then I'm taking my coffee to go, and I also have to show you guys my outfit before I leave. Okay, really quick before I go, because I'm kind of running late, but this is my outfit that I'm wearing to the press event. It's kind of rainy and chilly outside, so I threw on a trench coat, but underneath I'm wearing this black cashmere sweater from J. Crew, my wide leg jeans, and then my black booties. They're also from J. Crew. Then I have my black pull-on bag, and we're ready to go. Okay, I made it to LA. There's a little bit of traffic on the drive, but I'm walking to the press event now. I know I showed you my outfit earlier, but here's what I'm wearing. The sun came out a little bit, so we're going in. Okay, hi, I'm back in the car. I just left the PR event, and it was a really quick visit. It was really just to meet the team and see their new LA office. They also had a lot of the brands and companies that they represent on display, so I was able to see some designs from brands and beauty products from skincare brands and things like that. So I left with a little goodie bag that they gave me, which was really nice. And here's what I got. First thing I got was actually a drink from Erewhon. They had refreshments, and this was one of them, and I was like, I have to try that. This is the lavender lemonade. I mean, look how amazing that color is, and I bet it tastes so good. And then as for the products that they gave me, I got a couple of new skincare products from a brand called Dr. Naomi. This brand, they told me, is originally from Australia, but they just launched in the US. So I got Catfish, which is a blurring eye cream to instantly target fine lines, puffiness, and dark circles. And then this is called Apocalypse, which is a lip plumping treatment to instantly volumize, smooth, and condition. So that's something new to try. And then a brand that I feel like everybody knows about, which is called Not Your Mother's, is a hair care brand. So I got their matcha green tea and apple shampoo, and then the matching hair mask. So I'm excited to try those out. But now I am just gonna drive back home because I have to finish the rest of my normal work day and then go about the rest of my to-do list for the day. On my drive home though, I'm going to listen to a podcast, and my favorite podcast is Scrubbing In with Becca Tilley and Tanya Rad. I love this podcast because it feels like I'm having girl chat or like girl talk with my friends, but I'm just listening to it, I'm not talking. And I feel like I love listening to these types of podcasts on drives because it makes them so much more entertaining. I think I like listening to podcasts more than I like to listen to music when I drive. So we're heading home, and we're going to finish out the rest of my day as a normal person. comfortable outfit, and I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing to work from home and then get back to work. Here is the comfy work from home outfit. It's kind of gloomy and drizzly outside, so I thought I would wear something cozy. I just got this new Sherpa vest in. It's by the brand Varley, and then I wore it over one of my Jenny Kane cashmere sweaters in this gray color. And just to stay really comfortable, I put on my Lululemon flared pants, and then these are my slippers from Rothy's. So this is the outfit for the rest of the day working from home. I'm gonna eat lunch now and then get back to work. Okay, done with work for the day. Also, this is the Christmas tree. It is so cute when it's in the background of my vlog. I also haven't even put away the box of the Christmas tree yet, but I love it. Now that I'm done with work, wait, let me clean up my desk really quickly. Also, I think I'm gonna do a PR unboxing in this vlog, because if this is gonna be like a day in the life of a full-time like 9 to 5 person woman in tech and then part-time influencer, I might as well just open all those boxes and show you what I get sent from brands every so often, because I'm so lucky to be able to receive PR. But now I'm done with work for the day and I'm going to eat a snack after work and then get ready to go to the gym. Okay, so for my after work snack, we actually had pho for dinner last night, but we had some leftovers, so I'm just gonna eat some leftover pho and watch Vlogmas since it is December. I would say that during this month, watching YouTube is probably one of my favorite times to watch YouTube, because all of my favorite OG YouTubers and just like YouTubers in general create more videos, and so I always have something to watch. So I'm going to eat, watch YouTube while I eat, and then get ready for the gym. It's actually a few days later. The last time I vlogged, I think, was like a Tuesday, and now it's Saturday. My week has just been so like boring and normal. I worked most of the days, went to the gym, so there's really nothing exciting to vlog, but I am actually on my way to get my brows done, which is why I'm not wearing any makeup. So I thought I would take you along to my appointment. Okay, I am back home now. I got my brows done, as you can see, and they look perfect. My brow girl Zoe is just the best. I have actually been going to her for I think almost 10 years now. We're actually from the same hometown, Sacramento, and then to grow her career in her artistry as a brow artist, she moved to LA to work for a celebrity brow artist. Now she has been working on her own business for a few years, and when I moved down to SoCal, I made the effort to go see her, and I literally don't let anybody else touch my brows except for Zoe. I've done that before, I've learned my lesson, and so it's just so worth it going to somebody that you trust, especially with something as important as your eyebrows. I've been meaning to do a PR unboxing because I've literally had this pile of PR packages in like my corner, and I wanted to share it with you on a vlog because I thought it would be interesting. Okay, I'm just gonna start at the top of the pile. So this is a package from Clarins. It looks like they sent me their double serum eye and then their double serum. I actually got these before and I gave them to my cousin, so hopefully she's liking them, and if she needs a restock then I'll give it to her because I have so many skincare products that I literally cannot use, so sometimes I just like to gift them to friends or family. Next up is a package from Koyo. They actually sent me 2 pairs of shoes. I love wearing white sneakers and I have a few pairs of white sneakers. In the past, I would say like a few years, I've been really into like really high quality leather sneakers. So I had a pair of Common Projects, which I think I do have, but I've worn them in and they're just really old now. And then I also have a pair of Axel Arigatos, which are the white sneakers that I'm currently wearing. But I've always been interested in these Koyo sneakers and they are such good quality. They're very, very similar to the Common Projects in the style of them, and they're made of like really high quality leather too. So Koyo sent me these. I'm really excited to wear them and style them because I honestly wear white sneakers with pretty much every outfit. And then they sent me another pair, and this one is a pair of boots. Okay, I've never had boots like this. I know that this like chunky Chelsea boot trend has been in for the past couple of years, but I personally feel like I don't know, like for me, I feel like it's not really my like classic style, but I know how easy it is to wear a pair of black boots, and sometimes like in the winter, especially in Sacramento when it's much colder, I just want to wear a pair of like comfortable flat black boots, and these are really cool and stylish and very utilitarian, which makes an outfit look a little bit more grungy or a little more like dressed down. So I got a pair of black boots from Koyo. Next up, I'm just gonna keep going with the fashion. I got another bag from Polène. They kindly sent me another Numero Un bag, but in a different color. I have the black one and I wear that bag almost every single day. It's my go-to bag, and so I thought it would be great if I had a tan version of it. I think if you are looking for a really nice handbag that's not like luxury or high-end prices, then the Polène brand is such a good option because their quality of handbags are still really, really high. They last a really long time. They look and feel amazing, and literally every single time that I wear my black one of this, I get comments and questions about where's your bag from, and it's from Polène. So I got this one. This is I think this is the camel color in the smooth leather. I wanted the smooth leather on this one because it has the contrast stitching around it, but again, Numero Un Nano has the top handle, which I really love, and then it also has a long strap so that you can wear it across your body. So highly, highly recommend, and I am so thankful and grateful to be connected with this brand because I love it so much. I got a couple of packages from Shani Darden. Shani Darden skincare is some of my favorite, especially their retinol, because it's so gentle. Retinol is obviously like a very researched and proven product to make sure that you maintain your skin, and it's great for anti-aging and skin cell turnover. So the Shani Darden Retinol Reform, which is actually in here, it's this one right here. This is the retinol that I use on a regular basis, and so this PR package has the PM Powerhouse pair, which is the Retinol Reform and then the Lactic Acid Exfoliating Serum. So I actually just ran out of my Retinol Reform, so I'm so glad that I have a backup here, and then I am really excited to try these two products together. And then I got another package from Shani Darden with other products, so I am so spoiled. So this is the cleansing serum. I'm excited to try that. This is the weightless oil-free moisturizer. I also have this intensive eye cream. and then a toning essence. So I literally have the entire like Shani Darden skincare regimen here, and I'm so excited. If you don't know who Shani Darden is, she's like a celebrity esthetician. For example, Mariana Hewitt, who is the founder of Summer Fridays, like that's her esthetician, and I only know that because like I listen to her podcast and I'm a huge fan of her. Okay, here we have a really exciting package from Our Place, and Our Place is so nice because they sent me the Selena Gomez collaboration, and if you know me, I'm like Selena's #1 fan. I've loved Selena Gomez for honestly my entire life, and she's still a celebrity and public figure that I look up to. So Our Place was so kind enough to send me, oh my gosh, I gotta get this out, the perfect pot from their collaboration with Selena Gomez. Look how beautiful this color is. I'm so excited about it. It's almost too beautiful to use, but I honestly would not go for this color unless it was a Selena Gomez collaboration. I probably would have gotten like some neutral color, but like I'm so glad I got this because the color is literally so beautiful, and it's pretty much like the same color as like Rare Beauty's color palette. Oh my god, I'm so excited. That is amazing. Okay, I have a couple more packages. I think these are sweaters from the brand Quince, and Quince is a brand that makes cashmere sweaters, so they reached out to me offering to send me a couple pieces. Oh my gosh, this is so, wow, this is so cute. This is their cardigan, and I got it in this beautiful cream color. I'm gonna button one of the buttons. This is their cardigan, and it has these really beautiful tortoiseshell buttons. It's also made of cashmere, so it's super, super soft. I would say in the past couple of years, I have been really specific on the types of materials and compositions, especially in the sweaters that I wear. So cashmere is one of the materials that I look for in a sweater. So I try to stay away from like polyester sweaters now because I just know that they're not as good quality, they don't feel as good, and they won't last as long. So Quince has amazing cashmere sweaters for a more affordable price than many of the other brands. Like for example, I'm actually wearing a Jenny Kane cashmere sweater right now, and Quince is like really comparable, especially this cardigan because this looks very similar to the Jenny Kane cocoon cardigan. Lastly, I got the same color sweater except in this crew neck, and this is one of those like very classic fisherman knit sweaters. And I'm so excited to wear this because this is such like a staple in your wardrobe. You just need a nice plain cream crew neck sweater. So this is also 100% cashmere, and it feels amazing. Okay, that was everything for my PR unboxing haul. Let me know if you want any like reviews on any of the products. I'll also show you how I style some of them in another vlog if you would like. And I am about to get ready for my friend's Christmas party. Okay, here's what I decided to wear. I put on one of those cashmere sweaters I got from Quince earlier. This is that cashmere crew neck sweater. I love it. Looks amazing, feels amazing. I got it in a size medium, by the way. I'm usually a small, but I read the reviews and they said that medium gives that more like slouchy look, although I don't even think this is slouchy. This is just like the perfect fit. And then I'm wearing my dark, excuse that in the background, I'm wearing my dark denim barrel jeans, and these are from Banana Republic. I've been wearing them constantly. I love them so much. And then these black booties, which I also love, are from J. Crew. So that is the full look. I think I might end the vlog here because I don't want to like vlog at my friend's house, and I don't know. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.